Ever found yourself scrolling through travel blogs or watching those dreamy vacation vlogs and YouTrip pops up? Maybe you've seen their sleek cards or heard whispers of seamless overseas spending. And then the question hits you, is YouTrip actually a Singaporean company? It's a fair question, especially in a world where fintech startups seem to sprout up everywhere. You want to know who you're trusting with your travel money, right? Where are they based? What regulations do they follow? Well, let's dive into it. To really understand YouTrip's roots, we need to rewind a little bit. Imagine a team in Singapore recognizing a common pain point for travelers: the hefty fees and confusing exchange rates that chip away at your vacation budget every time you use your regular credit or debit card abroad. This is where the idea for YouTrip sparked. The founders envisioned a multi-currency wallet linked to a physical and virtual MasterCard designed specifically for travelers. A way to hold multiple currencies in one place, exchange them at potentially better rates than traditional banks, and spend like a local wherever you go. So, back to the core question, is YouTrip a Singaporean company? The answer is a resounding yes. YouTrip was indeed founded and is headquartered in Singapore. It's a homegrown fintech innovation that has since expanded its reach to other parts of Southeast Asia. Think of Singapore's vibrant startup ecosystem. It's a hub for innovation, with strong government support and a thriving community of tech entrepreneurs. YouTrip was born out of this environment, taking advantage of the regulatory sandbox that allows fintech companies to test and launch their products. Being a Singaporean company comes with certain advantages and implications. It operates under the regulatory framework of the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, which is known for its robust and forward-looking approach to financial technology. This provides a level of trust and security for its users. Furthermore, being based in Singapore, a multicultural and travel-centric nation, likely provided valuable insights into the needs and pain points of frequent travelers. The understanding of diverse currencies, cross-border transactions, and the desire for convenience probably fueled the development of YouTrip's core features. Now, it's important to note that while YouTrip originated in Singapore, its services have expanded beyond its borders. You might find YouTrip being used in other Southeast Asian countries, and they may even have regional offices or partnerships. However, the heart and headquarters of the company remain firmly in Singapore. So, the next time you see that purple YouTrip card or hear someone raving about its benefits while traveling, you can confidently say, "Ah yes, that's the Singaporean fintech company making international spending smoother." It's a testament to the innovation coming out of Singapore and its impact on how we manage our money when we explore the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.